Let's try it again. And I'm back, I think. Sorry about that, guys. I don't know what happened. But part two. Part two, the Crypto Leprechaun Show. This is the same video that goes along with the 1018 video. It's currently 1:21 a.m. Sorry, guys. My stream shut down on me for some reason. I apologize. I don't know what happened. But I'm back and better than ever. For anyone else, this is a continuation of the first stream. I don't know. What in the world happened? No, I'm still on 2 Mountain Dews, Mikey. I'm about ready to get something else to drink, though. Haven't been up all night. What's up, Mike K? You have not missed anything tonight, my friend. Whoa, Luna said boo. Don't do that this time of year. Where's Shorty? Shorty's here. I'm here.
Spooky.
Sideways shuffle? Absolutely, sir. Bitcoin is on a dotted line. It's unbelievable. I say that every night. I apologize, but it's just I'm just not used to this. I should be. I just miss the old days, I guess. That's more like it. Man, I can remember when between, like, what was it, midnight and 4 a.m. 4 a.m. used to be the hot time. I can remember everybody used to be up. They would almost wait on 4 a.m. because the volatility would just go off the hook. You know, like potatoes? Yeah, he had a potato early tonight.
Yeah.
He got dinner done with early tonight.
Yep.
Did you ever get your grilled cheese last night?
No, I ended up having the peanut butter and mayonnaise, Miracle Whip.
Oh, that's right. Shorty sounds tired.
Yeah, I am a little bit. I'm looking at trades also though. That's why I'm a little bit.
Well, you
Peanut butter, Miracle Whip, and pickles.
yeah.
Yeah, and peanut butter.
Ape's still freaking out about that.
On a hoagie bun.
Also, you gotta remember, Mikey, it is at 1:30 in the morning out here too.
Yeah, it's only 11:30 your time. Or
Yeah.
no, 10:30 your time.
10:30, yeah. Yeah, when I first get on, it's only 6 o'clock out of his time, out where he's at. Oh, yeah, I forgot.
It looked like the Ethereum W coin was down to 6 something. 645 might be a time to buy it on that. I don't know. DXY is up a quarter. I'm kind of wondering, seemingly, Bitcoin is maybe uncoupled from that as far as being inverse. I know I said that last night, but I think it's becoming increasingly true that it's not going to move inverse like it has. I don't know for sure, but
it seems like it's not, like Bitcoin's not going up as much when the DXY goes down.
Down, and vice versa, though. Like right now it's up and Bitcoin's up.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, the market's suppressed right now. Something's going on.
Yeah.
Also, Ethereum W, as soon as that gets listed on Kucoin Futures, Binance US, and Robinhood, that coin is going to pump.
I don't know though. I don't know if it's got that problem with it having the same whatever address or whatever is something else.
You know, Robinhood owns a shit ton of ETH.
That's because they got for every ETH they had, they got W, right?
Correct, but they did not release those.
Right. But they also would have the option of selling those on the market too, right?
Of course.
The ETH, as
Don't you
opposed
think
to
they would have sold at a higher price than down here?
what's that?
I would have thought they would have sold at a higher price than down where we're sitting.
Right, but what I mean is when they do sell, if they sell, then it would cause the shares on the market or the coins on the market would cause it to would that's what would push the price down if they sold at a higher amount.
Oh, would murder the coin.
Yeah. On the contrary, if they decide to list it and keep what they've got, then that would cause it to skyrocket. I would think. Although that would in a way that would put them on the market, but in a controlled fashion. I mean, yeah, if they list it, if
Where
all
where can
yeah,
you even get ETH at right now?
You
Met
can buy
Steve
a spot on KuCoin.
Oh,
futures
can you?
On Met
Yep.
Steve futures and spot, but yeah, it's on KuCoin.
What place are you all in? I'm not in any. I'm not in anything besides my bags.
I'm not in any place either. I'm waiting for BTC to tell me what it's doing.
Kind of what I'm waiting on.
I'm in a BTC short that I got in way too. I tried to get in before, I got in at 283. I started the process of selling my long and buying a short at about 302, but I didn't get in until 283. Right now, though, there's a difference between the futures and spot price is about almost $10.
Yeah, it's usually pretty off.
Question I'm trying to figure out, and somebody explained it a while back, but I apparently wasn't listening or didn't hear the whole thing. The difference between last price and mark price on KuCoin, like right now it's like $7 or $8. What does that mean if that spread is more or less? Anybody know?
Uh, I'll have to look at it.
Ask Squirrel. Oh, never mind. He's very busy, and he's
Yeah,
busy burying his nuts.
yeah, that's what I was gonna say. He's playing hide the nuts.
Where's last price at?
It's right underneath the actual price you see. So there's three prices. There's the big price that everybody sees, at least on the app. And then right underneath the big price is two, the bid in the app.
Oh, okay. Yeah, huh.
But perpetuals is always off from the actual spot price.
Yeah.
Right. It is.
And then, of course, depending upon whether you're going long or short, it'll give you the bid price or the ask price and not the actual average.
Mikey K says the bid-ask spread refers to the difference between the bid and ask price that a market maker can set.
Yep.
But what I'm asking is if the spread is, what does it mean if a spread's larger or if it's smaller? What does that indicate?
that means that people are willing to pay higher than the actual average price to get in and sell lower than the actual average price to get out.
Yeah, but when it might be the opposite of what you just said, because like when I buy in to a futures, I'm paying the last price. But when I sell, or when um, things are like stop losses and stuff are triggered, it's triggered. I mean, you can pick last mark or index, but a lot of times, if you just put a market order in, I guess that's mark price.
I don't know.
Okay, wait a minute. Mark price is the average market price of cryptocurrencies on major exchanges. It's also the primary component of mark price. Mark price is the price used for mark to market P&L calculation and platform liquidation. Mark price is designed to be fair and manipulation resistant.
Fair for the exchange and for them to manipulate.
Yes.
So play a little game. The next time you go to enter a trade, enter in the price, go down and give yourself the percentage of how much of your capital you're willing to use on the trade, and watch it. Watch that price jump right before you enter the trade. It'll go past you, and they want you to chase it.
Yeah, I know.
And if you don't chase it, they'll sit it right below or right above where you're sitting, just to make you psychologically fuck with yourself.
Uh-huh.
You know like Celsius? I know like Celsius. You talking about the drink?
No, I think it's about what drink. Is there a drink? A drink?
There's an energy drink called Celsius.
You know the maximum duration for a futures contract you can hold it is 3 months?
Really?
Yeah.
I know, Mikey. I was kind of playing around.
That may be just stocks, I don't know, but
Oh, BTC's coming down for you.
is it?
Oh, got a red candle for me. If history repeats itself, it's getting red. The next candle will be green. And then it'll be red. Shorty, you doing a show with Big and Rich in Vegas?
Not that I'm aware of. Are they doing? Is one scheduled you're talking about, or are you just asking about in general?
You have Junior tomorrow. Yes, sir, I do. Pick him up at school tomorrow. In general.
Not that I'm aware of.
Pick him up between, you gotta be there between 3 and 3:45. So I usually get there about 3:15. Can usually just drive right up, pick him up, and leave instead of waiting in line for 30 minutes. I finally figured out the sweet spot. You coming on when he sleeps. I'm going to try if I can get him to lay down. That's been the problem last couple Wednesdays. It's not gone so well.
Oh, really?
Well, it depends. I mean, he did so well for a while there. I was coming on here, but yeah, if I'm not on by probably 9:30, then I'm probably not coming on. So if I do, it'd probably be between 8:30 and 9:30. God willing. Yo, what's up, Fist Survivor?
The nights that you don't do YouTube are the nights that we have action.
Yeah.
I know it. It's unbelievable. Mikey K said Mr. Helium is here. What's up, brother? I know, and trust me, it's not like I'm not watching. I'm watching the markets just going, oh my god, this is fucking killing me. This is killing me, of course. Bitcoin's fucking flying off the horse. Are you kidding me?
You mean on nights when you can't come on?
Yeah, and I got a kid screaming in my right ear, and I'm sitting there looking at my phone going, oh god, gosh dang it. But, gotta do what you gotta do. HNT blockchain was down earlier. Uh-oh. Does that cut into your mining time? Yeah, regrads get paused. Rewards get paused. How long was it down for? Down goes BTC.
How much?
19,253.
Oh, really?
Is it going to test last 3-hour low of 19,221?
My take profit triggered.
Yeah, Shorty's in a BTC short.
Not now. I was.
We're good. Down, or almost 3 hours, damn.
Not backing along as Bitcoin starts its way back up.
Well, you could probably follow this channel and do that for a while because if history repeats itself again, like I said earlier, this is a little different, but it can run sideways for a while.
Yeah.
Short, are you using a bot?
No, not for this. I'm just doing it on my own.
He's using the shorty bot.
Yeah.
Good one, Lip. I got good ones every once in a while. Not all the time, but every once in a while I got good ones. Maddox on its way down. Looks like a lot of things are on their way down. Doge is down a little bit. Bitcoin continues to drop.
I'm going to join you on the BTC long.
Yeah, it's coming down. It went down a little further than what I thought it might.
I think it might try to test this about 3-hour low of 1920
Wait a minute.
or 19,200. 19,220. I'm sorry. Ape, you working tonight? He's probably off by now.
Nope, I'm just finishing up here at work.
Oh. Sorry, yes. Getting ready to ride his moped home.
Yep, Monday through Friday if there's school, a custodian has to clean.
Mikey K says, Shorty, you need to get a smart car.
I know. I want one. But even used ones are. It's hard to find a used one around here. We don't have a kind of dealership.
I don't think they're making them anymore, are they?
No, I don't believe so.
I saw one just a couple days ago. I saw one for the first time in a long time. I hadn't seen one for a while.
There's a few around town here. The Fiat 500 is pretty close to one. It's really, really tiny. The two-door coupe. But yeah, I definitely want a smart car. I think they're awesome. You get like 45 miles, or they did anyway at one point, got 45 miles a gallon, I think.
What's up, Peter? Good morning. Peter says, good morning, Lep, Fred, Juniors, Ape, and all else. Much love, Peter.
Hey, Peter. Hey, Pete.
Dude, Peter, I hope you're okay and fared okay through those storms, my man.
Yeah, he showed a picture the other day. It looked okay. But I presume that was his area. I don't know, but doing great, and thanks for the support. Yes, sir. Yeah, I was wondering about you during all that. I have a few friends down there. I've got a few friends in Tampa. And my one friend was actually up here for the Oktoberfest during all that. They just went ahead and left. And he was saying that he talked to his neighbor, and the only thing they had was their lights blinked. The lights in the house flickered. That was it. No damage.
In Tampa?
Yeah, Tampa pretty much got spared. It was getting ready. It was supposed to run right straight into Tampa, and it went south.
Yeah.
Man, can you imagine?
You know.
What's that? I was going to say, just could you imagine if that would have hit Tampa head on? Oh my gosh.
That would have been so bad.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, it was just as bad hitting Fort Myers.
Well, that's probably true, but I think Tampa area is probably bigger, isn't it?
Yeah, but, I mean, Fort Myers Beach.
Yeah, it's bad enough, but...
Well, if Crypto Peter's there, that means his next door neighbor Justin Bieber did all right then too.
Yep.
Is that his neighbor?
Justin Bieber lives on one side and Madonna lives on the other.
Seriously?
No, it's a joke, man.
Oh. Hey, you never know in here, dude.
But he did have Tiger Woods sailing out in front of his house.
Really?
Yeah, Tiger Wood had his yacht parked right in front of his house out in the ocean.
Nice.
Huh.
Crypto Peter is our whale.
Fort Myers and the beach, Sanibel and Pine Island devastated. Yeah, we
Yeah,
used to go to. Growing up, had been to Sanibel a few times. Beautiful area down there, but
Captiva. Didn't Captiva got destroyed too, didn't it?
I'm sure it did. The mayor said it's unlivable.
Yeah. Are they, Peter, are they, I heard it's questionable on whether they're going to be able to rebuild or not, but I'm sure they will. But that's an interesting scenario. If they did not rebuild, I mean, people have property rights as far as the land, the people who actually own property.
Peter says, I heard you both had been there. Captiva was entry point for hurricane. Oh, lordy.
Yeah, the bubble room on Captiva, Peter. I saw pictures on the internet where it survived, but they didn't know to what extent the damage was. The same guy owns a restaurant on Fort Myers Beach that was completely destroyed.
We saw Joe Theismann in the bubble room.
Yeah, about 40 years ago. Well, 36, 35, something like that.
I was young enough, I didn't even know who he was.
Yeah.
I wish I would have at the time.
He was on crutches. I remember meeting him.
It must have been not too long after his big hit.
Yeah. Jim
Weaver?
Weaver, who knew he knew who he was, obviously.
Yeah.
The Monkey Duck says it's temporarily closed.
I bet it's more than temporarily unless they're going to start
Yeah.
hauling people over in boats. Because that causeway is destroyed.
They got it up and running.
Did they really?
They got it, yeah, for rescue or for workers.
How in the hell did they do that so quick?
Well, that's what I want to know. I was gonna mention that. It's like it takes a freaking giant construction company to repave a road. It takes them all summer, but yet they can get a causeway that's completely like in the water. They can get it up in 2 weeks.
I mean, that was probably 200-foot chunk that was out of
Quite a bit of chunk, yeah.
Huh. They might be using like, I guess they really couldn't use boats. I don't know. Who knows? Hell, Bitcoin's still going down a little bit. We'll see what it does if it gets down to 19,220.
Yeah, I got my short sitting at 19,225.
You got a short at 19,225.
No, sorry, I was thinking price moving down. I need the price to move down to pick up my longs sitting at 19,225.
Oh, okay. That's
Okay.
about right. I think that's support currently. I mean, for this channel. I think it's gonna move in this channel between probably from now till early morning, or I guess later morning now, or however you want to look at it. Pre-market, it'll probably start to have some action.
Yeah, I switched over to the 3-minute RSI, so I'll just play that one up and down. And we're off to the races.
Yes, we are.
I'm already up almost 1%.
You're up what, 8?
Almost 1%.
I'm up 4.3%, 5.62%,
Let's go.
6.39%.
Shut up.
My entry was 19,249. And I
Just
have
kidding.
do what?
Oh, I screamed just for you to shut up.
Oh, I've got a limit order to close it out at 19,300.
Do you guys like bologna?
I do actually.
You like bologna? I like bologna sometimes. Yeah, 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 yeah.
You know what the best is? Is bologna put in the microwave. It cooks and fries up and turns into a bowl. Squirt some mustard in there. Fucking yum.
You do what? I heard part of that. You
You
put
put
it
it
in
in
the
the,
microwave.
put it in the microwave and then what?
Put it in the microwave for like 30 seconds.
Yeah.
It kind of fries itself and turns into a bowl.
Oh, it
Really?
curls
Squirt
up.
a little mustard on it.
Yeah.
That sounds good.
I used to eat bologna roll-ups as a kid. Mom would spread Milk or Whip on a piece of bologna and then roll it up. Okay, Bitcoin is stumbling just a shade here. It's stopping to rest. It needs to get on with it.
Keep on getting on.
What happened to Steven?
Oh, he left a little bit ago. I don't know.
Oh, did he?
Must have come across a skunk.
I see.
I don't know.
No, he's over in Thames.
Oh.
Ah,
Yeah, Bitcoin, it just stopped, didn't it?
Yeah.
Where'd you go, volatility, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I just opened a short on BTC.
What entry point?
Hmm.
Because I think it's going to hit 300 though before we go bounce back down. That's way it's been tracking here the last couple hours.
Short, it price moved it up.
It what?
It worked. As soon as I said that I was going short, price went the opposite direction. But I'm not really short.
Ah,
Oh, I like your thinking.
yeah.
Ha ha, market makers. Ha
It's
ha.
that. It's that now. Now it's coming back down.
God damn it.
What'd you say something for? It was going up too. As soon as you said that, it started going down.
Shit. We'll just do psychological counter trades.
Yeah.
Psychological warfare on crypto.
Dude, these market makers are ruthless.
Mm-hmm.
They always know.
It's algorithm, and we're programmed to do certain things with certain actions.
Yeah, I'd say you're correct.
Oh, there. She took a healthy little dip. Healthy little dip. Or maybe not. Maybe not. Healthy may not be the right word.
Well, the MACD just flipped bearish on the 15-minute, and the RSI is pointing down. Both are not a lot, but
Yeah.
we can't see the video left. What? Are you talking about me? Yeah, I put in a dip, so I took my picture down for a minute.
Here on the 3 minute, my MACD is pointing way down.
No, still two. I'm probably not going to have another one this time of night. Not that it really. I drank Mountain Dew long enough. The caffeine doesn't really do much to me, but Shorty, how was the potato?
It was good. Good tater.
No action lip? Not a damn bit. I mean, yeah, a little bit here and there. I mean, things were... A little bit ago, Matic was pumping pretty hard, and we had a pretty good sized red candle on BTC. Things were starting to move a little bit, and then it just died. Lep, you watch Sin City Family? They go to Harris sometime in Vegas. Yeah, I have seen quite a bit of them. I haven't watched them recently. I'm glad you said that because I kind of forgot about them. But yeah, I have watched them. I haven't seen
Where is
them.
it?
I don't think I've seen them in Harris. It's a YouTube channel called Sin City
Okay.
Family, and they just go around. They video themselves playing like casino games. They're on every day, but they got like a shit ton of followers. I'm surprised the casinos let them do that. They probably have to go to certain ones. I doubt they all do. Hell, half of them you're not even supposed to take pictures.
There we go. Come on, BTC.
A 1,000 live viewers. Wow. It's
Who knows?
crazy.
Oh, that what you were just talking about.
Yeah, Sin City Family or whatever. Should I start a gambling channel up? Well, apparently, if they're getting that many videos or viewers,
Viewers.
videos. And they don't even high limit every day. Oh, do they play high limit? I don't think I've seen them play high limit. Hell, I think the one I saw, I don't even know if they really gambled even much. They were at the top of the stratosphere. They ate. They rode some rides. I don't even. They probably did at some point, but the part I saw, I don't think I saw the whole video. But I don't think they even played any. They might have. Maybe they played slot machines. I can't remember, but I think that was the last one I saw. Shorty needs to see it. Yeah, I'll have to check it out. They're on now.
On YouTube or what?
Yeah.
What's it called?
Sin City. Is it Sin City Family? Yeah. Sin City Family.
Gotcha.
It's I think it's like a husband and wife, isn't it? And then they have other, like, their friends join them every once in a while, and people jumping in and out and stuff. They pretty much just get drunk and go around and play slot machines, don't they? Yep, I might jump in one day. Well, watch them on YouTube, find out where they're at, and then go to that casino. Shout out to Crypto Lep, I will say. Yeah, dude, crash your stream. I'll send you a Crypto Leprechaun t-shirt. As soon as I get them. I'll make one up special for you. Hell, they probably wouldn't care. It's different. It's a different niche. Profits, profits, profits t-shirt. Yeah. Profits, profits, profits. He's probably not looking right now, Mikey Cakes. I don't know if he can do it with he's on his phone, so he's probably limited to what
Yeah. Yeah, I can't. I will when I'm not got multiple things going on.
his, his phone's probably maxed out between TradingView, Discord,
or
or
yeah, Pornhub.
yeah, that's drawing a lot.
Huh?
That's drawing a lot of power.
Yeah, it is.
Too many videos, yeah. Yeah, that's a lot going on a phone. You got an area set up where you're gonna put your computer at?
No, I'm just gonna put it here where where I'm sitting right now.
Yeah.
I mean, yes and no. I'm gonna put my monitors on the wall. I think here.
Very nice.
And I can put the tower or whichever whatever it is. I can put it underneath the table here, and then I'll
What?
get a yeah.
What? What internet do you use?
Comcast. Is that what you mean?
Yeah, I didn't know
Yeah.
what you used other.
Yeah.
You got a tracking number, Shorty? Yeah, he sent it to both of us actually.
Yeah, I guess I'll put it in what a big box and then put the key in the small box.
Yeah, you better tell Dad to be looking for it.
Yeah, yeah.
Hopefully
Although
he should be able to carry it.
Verizon sent an empty box for me to send my phone back in, and he got that okay.
Oh, okay, good. Well, he knows how to do it then.
He didn't know it was an empty box, but he said, "You got a package in the mail." That time I didn't know what it was, but yeah.
It shouldn't take too long from Arkansas, I wouldn't think.
No, it might be as early as tomorrow. I don't know how detailed does that tracking number get.
Anymore they're pretty damn like every time they scan it, it pops up. So it'll tell you where
Yeah,
if they scanned it, if it's out for delivery, if it's going from California to, or if it's going from Arkansas to Tennessee. It'll tell you that when they scan it in Tennessee, and then when they scan it in Indianapolis, and then it'll tell you when it's out for delivery from Indy or whatever.
yeah.
A lot more detailed than it used to be. No.
Zero detail. It says expect delivery by Friday the 21st at 9 p.m.
Nice. Oh, no, I don't know, Mike, if it's in Nashville. I just use that as an example. Because that's about halfway here. I don't know. It might go straight from Arkansas to Indy. I don't know.
It went from Elkins, Arkansas to Fayetteville. That's what it says here.
Well, that's pretty quick if you just sent it today.
Yeah.
From my experience, they usually give themselves, it seems like a day or so cushion, so you might actually get it earlier. I've also had shit sit in warehouses for a week as well. So you
You
should,
have?
yeah, like back when I was doing the base of the sports cards a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Really?
Hmm. And that was always first class too.
Week?
Yeah.
Huh.
I mean, not very often, but a couple times that happened. Well, your Bitcoin's going up.
Is it? What's it?
Shorty, how far when you lived in Nashville from downtown Nashville?
Say, what? Say it again.
How far did you live when you lived in Nashville from downtown?
Oh, like, mm, I mean, depending on traffic, like 3 to 5 minutes. I was in Hillsborough Village, kind of just I was inside the 440 loop. Right there by Vandy and Belmont.
You tried Hottie BS Nashville chicken?
No, what is it? What is it?
Hottie BS Nashville chicken? Hatti BS? Is that what you meant to
I
say, Mikey? Or did you mean to say Saudi Bobbies? No, Nashville hot chicken.
Oh no, no, I did not. That was after I was there, living there, pretty much. I think.
They have one at Cosmo in Vegas. It's really good.
Cool. Yeah, no, I don't. I don't. I've not tried it.
Abe, you back home? Mikey K?
Yeah, I just got home. It's colder than shit out.
I bet it is up there. It's cold here. Can't imagine what it's like up there.
But yeah, it's frigid. I need to wear gloves and a face mask.
I bet. You gonna do that all winter?
Hell no, I'm gonna have to walk.
Ugh.
1.2 miles. Takes me about 30 minutes to walk it, so it's not that big of a deal.
Yeah. (1.2 miles) long walk. I do it on Vegas Strip. Yeah, that'd be easy to do on the Vegas Strip.
Especially on the strip, you're like, oh, I'll just walk to that casino right over there. An
Yeah.
hour and a half later.
Yeah, no shit. Especially if it's the wrong time of day and you're fighting to do all the people.
Fighting through all the people and the Mexicans slapping fucking porno cards in front of you.
Yep. I just don't make eye contact. I just keep going. Don't look at the Mexicans flipping the cards. Don't look at the Mexicans flipping the cards.
Just look at the cards that are all over the ground.
Oh, yeah.
My roommate in Vegas collected those fucking things. He had shoe boxes full of them. I'm like, dude, what the hell are you doing? He's like, they're going to be collectible someday. I'm like, probably not.
Thought maybe he was saving them for a rainy day. Let's see, which one do I want?
It was rainy every day for him.
How long did you live there?
I lived in Las Vegas for 3.5, almost 4 years. And I lived in Reno for almost 7 years.
Oh, wow.
Reno, ugh. I sound so snotty saying that, but
Yeah, no, I mean, I like Reno.
you do like Reno? Of course, I always saw one, really one hotel. Well,
The
no, yeah.
Hotel Calneva.
I remember Carol Burnett was performing at an adjacent room or hotel that we were playing in, and Cowboy Troy and I went over and said hi to her and talked to her for a little bit before she died.
Wow,
You know, a lot of people don't know who Carol Burnett is, but
I do.
kind of a big deal.
Heck
Yeah.
yeah.
I was actually in the bowling alley when they filmed Kingpin.
Nice.
When they film what?
Kingpin?
Kingpin with Woody Harrelson.
Okay.
I was there one time with a buddy of mine who bowled in the Nationals out there. Because they hold the Nationals like all the time. And holy shit, that bowling alley. They got a balcony.
Oh yeah, no, it's a massive bowling alley.
Oh my gosh, it is. It was something else.
The big dome.
Mm-hmm. I think we stayed at, they got a circus there. I think it's where we stayed. Hell, it's been 20 years ago.
The Calneva.
No?
There's Calneva, Harris, Eldorado, and Silver Lakes.
Maybe it was Harris.
And Fitzgerald's.
It wasn't Fitzgerald's. It must have been Harris.
They did have a circus, but they tore that down Then there's the Pepper Mill, and I forget the other casino that's on the other side of Reno.
It might have been Circus Circus because it's like I said, it's been hell. It might have been 25 years ago.
Okay, yeah, no, definitely.
Okay, so yeah, I bet it was then. Crypto Peter says Carol Burnett is missed. Very funny comedian.
Yeah. Yes, she is, or was. I mean, some of that Mama's Family stuff was just fucking hilarious.
BTC needs to stop playing and just go up.
It's definitely playing with us.
Hey, Fred, what leverage are you using?
I bought in two different times. I was using 50 and then 75 times.
Holy shit, yeah, I'm only five. But you're not playing with like a few $100s, are you?
What? No, I've got pardon me, like $75.
Okay. Yeah, I'm like almost a $600 player. You know?
Ooh.
Holy cow!
Hey, you win big, but you also lose big.
Yep.
Right.
I'm going out to the win big part though.
Yeah. Shorty, how many colas?
Three. Finishing my third, I think.
Hey, look at BTC on 15 minutes with the Bollinger Bands on.
Yep. I am right now.
That is a squeeze and a half.
Yeah, and it just went below the bottom one.
I know, I'm starting to get scared here because I think it's going to
Shit.
explode.
It just dropped big
It
time.
oh, it did. It did.
Yeah, we're way down.
Sorry for the half exit this trade.
What's that?
said, sorry, Fred, I think I have to exit this trade.
The what on this trade?
I think I have to exit this trade.
Oh, are you? Getting a little squeamish, huh? I don't blame you. I just doubled down. Kind of. Not quite doubled down. Put a third more down. There we go. We're coming back up. We're gonna retrade. Yeah, there we go. Did you didn't get out, did you?
Yeah, I'm still in.
Okay. What's your entry? 225?
19225.
Okay,
5x.
we're at that right now, so you're fine.
The
You'll be
way it
good.
bounced out of that Bollinger Band, it should come back up. But
I just got a buy signal on my on ROX. It's kind of flashing off and on, but I think it'll be okay. We may not get back to the we may not get back to the 300 300 level like I thought we would, but we might. But it may take a minute getting there.
it's fighting right here.
Mm-hmm. It is.
Two two zero is where I was showing support at.
That's where we just broke through that. We're kind of on the 3 minute, kind of bouncing around there.
It's going down.
Yeah, the 15-minute looks like it's about to start walking downhill here.
Yeah, MACD's negative, so is the RSI. Well, RSI's coming back a little bit.
Yeah, I'm just going to take a dollar hit and get out.
Yeah, if that's all it is, yeah.
Because of the fee. Just trying to get out as close to my entry as possible.
It's really strong. It's one. I think it feels like it's really one to go down, but
Yeah.
something's keeping it up there. Something or somebody.
Ugh, it just broke down below 119.2.
Did it?
Futures did anyway.
Oh, okay. When's the next time you hitting up a casino? I don't know. It's been a little while. I'm like you. I usually try to go with other people. I don't like to go by myself, but 'cause it's about an hour drive. But when I go, I usually stay late, and I don't like driving home by myself. I want to make sure I stay awake. But I don't know. I haven't been for quite a while. I don't know if I've been at all this year, to be honest. Get a room, that's better. Yeah, we've done that several times. Depends on who I go with and how long. Some friends are about like me and would stay for a while, and some friends don't like to stay as long or whatever, so. Just depends. BTC's dropping.
Still.
Mm-hmm. 19166.
Oh, yeah. I should have reversed my position and just get short, but I didn't. But it should be turning around here pretty soon. She's not going to walk far. But just because I said that,
Mm-hmm.
you know how it is. Anything I say, it does the opposite, so don't listen to me.
Right?
RSI's getting down there pretty low. Looks like
Yeah, I went back. Sorry, go ahead.
I was just gonna say 1909 and 19,096 looks like could be a double bottom.
Uh, so I jumped in on that trade looking at the 3-minute RSI, which was a huge mistake because then I jumped on my bicycle, and in between the time it took me to get on my bike and leave work and get home, it had already gone up and come back down.
Oh jeez. It's kind of working its way back up. Oh. It was. Yeah, 19,096 definitely support. May not make it that low.
I'll be right back, gentlemen. We'll make a cup of hot cocoa.
Yes, sir. it's going up on this new candle here.
Yeah.
You still in the short?
Ooh.
Yeah.
No, I've been in a long for a minute.
Okay.
I just bought in for more, and I got my entry price down to 224, and
Okay.
my liquidation is 19,003. So
You should be good.
in the near term, yeah, I feel pretty good about it.
I don't think it's gonna be jumping out of this channel too far right now yet.
No.
That just kind of, well, it's kind of good in a way, because it kind of widened the channel a little bit, but
Yeah, on the 1 minute, we've had like we're on our fifth candle in a row green.
yeah. Yeah, 15 minutes got a pretty nice green candle forming. It's been in this 200 range all night. In the 200s. Well, since I've been streaming, I guess. I guess it was in the 300s, but not very much.
What now?
Bitcoin been trading in this 200 channel.
Yeah.
Yeah, RSI is really pointing up now. On 15 minute. And our MACD looks like it's
Yeah, 1 minute everything's up. Looks real good.
flattening out here.
There we go. We're getting some momentum.
Yeah.
Which RSI do you use? Because my RSI is still pointing down.
What are you?
15 minute?
Yeah, do you use the stochastic RSI or just regular RSI?
Just regular RSI.
What numbers do you use?
I use stochastic, and I'm using 331414.
Yeah, it's a lot different than mine. I'm using 14.6, I think. Or 14.2.
14.2?
I can't remember. Hold on. Fourteen two.
What would the 2 be?
Standard
What's-
deviation.
It's the Bollinger Band deviation.
Yeah.
Oh.
And do you have gaps clicked?
Yes.
What is it?
Okay.
Gaps.
Yeah. Gaps.
Gaps. What is that?
Displays the gap between different time frames. If you have, if you go into the settings, you can select the time frame that you want the RSI to be displayed as. Most people stock it comes on chart, but you can also set the RSI to actually be on the 1 minute, but you're looking at the 1 hour RSI.
Oh, cool.
Or whatever time frame you set it on.
Yeah. I mean, we've really skyrocketed here. I'm showing a 67 right now RSI, pointing up or kind of half-assed up.
Oh no, that's the 1 minute.
Yeah. And I've got mine set at, well, I'm gonna reload my
That's
what?
the regular RSI is starting to move up, but the stochastic RSI is already at the top and starting to work its way down.
I don't know what the hell I was on. Now I'm pointing down and it's showing 55. I don't know. That was weird. I just went ahead and shut down ROX and reopened it, and it's different.
That's about where I'm at. Mine's 51. Pointing down.
But I've got mine set at, the length is 7, the smoothing line is the EMA, and the smoothing length is 7. But I don't know. Would it be under precision? Is that the number 2 that you had up?
No, mine's a standard deviation.
I don't have that. Where would that be?
It's on the very bottom
Very bottom.
of my, like when I pull up my settings.
Yeah. Your settings for the RSI?
Shit, hold on. Yeah.
I still think that's what says precision on mine. Is there like a 1 through 8, 0 through 8?
Oh, see, you're on ROX, so it might be a little different.
Yeah.
Because I've got an RSI length, moving average length, and the standard deviation. You know, like Dogecoin? Poor Dogecoin.
No, very rich Dogecoin.
Yeah.
Not poor Dogecoin.
Who's not hiding.
Is he not?
He says he's not, but
Oh. Oh, you have problem with Dogecoin? Dogecoin have no problem with you. No, he's okay. No, I have, yeah, Dogecoin, yeah, ding, dang, yeah.
Dogecoin like money. Yeah, Dogecoin does like money.
Dogecoin like money. You like money. I like money. Yeah. And we're on our way back up.
Yeah, slowly. Dogecoin likes millions. Yeah,
Billions, isn't it?
I don't know. It's a lot. He ought to come out with a new coin.
Shit.
People would probably buy it.
Probably.
I'm showing mixed indicators. MACD's pointing down, RSI's pointing up. That's never good for volatility.
No.
Come on, MACD, what are you thinking? Get in the
Celsius,
game.
Celsius faces federal investigations in 40 states for suspending crypto withdrawals.
Doesn't surprise me. Is Daisy sleeping?
Yeah, she's in the other room.
Mikey K asked.
Yeah,
Yeah, we haven't heard her tonight.
no.
She must have had a long day.
We'll just let her sleep.
Yeah. I know, like Celsius.
We didn't get up till about 1:30, so she was raring to go, though. She pretty much got me up.
Yeah. Life of a crypto trader.
Not necessarily a crypto trader, just,
Some of us, anyways.
yeah.
Not as much anymore. You don't really have to wait for the 4 o'clock hour anymore. Nothing really happens.
Yeah.
I guess it kind of starts to, but not like it used to. Square no like money? No, Square loves money. He just it's under family obligations, I think, to take a little break, or at least
Chill out.
spread that out a little bit. Yeah. I bet you he's still got one eye on the market.
Now futures are up 9.7, it says.
Yeah, a lot can happen between now and 9:30.
Yeah.
Everything changes when that bell rings. I've seen them pre-market everything green, and that bell rings, and everything flips.
Yeah.
You like NASDAQ futures, Shorty?
Not really got into futures as far as the market goes. Mainly just on crypto.
Well, guys, I think I'm going to bounce. It's about 3 a.m. here, so
Yeah.
I got a full day ahead of me tomorrow, so.
Awesome, brother. Have a good night.
You guys, too. I will talk to you guys on the flip side. Hopefully I can be on tomorrow night. If not, I will be on Thursday as scheduled. And we shall talk to you guys soon.
You ought to
Yes,
holler at me after you pick Squirt up. And you ought to swing. I can't go with you, but you ought to swing by and just say hey.
Okay. Yeah, we can do that.
Because by the time I get done, it'll be time for him to go to bed by the time I get done working.
Yeah.
But, fly by for a minute.
Sure.
Let him run around with Daisy for a second, run off some energy.
Yeah. Yep, that'd be fine. I will do
Okay.
that. All right,
Yep,
Mike
yep.
K. Later, bro. Thanks for coming in and seeing us, as always. And
Hey,
anyway, yeah.
Sorry.
No, go ahead.
Go ahead. Don't forget to do your sign off. Last night you didn't do it.
Yeah, I did.
Oh, no, you didn't.
You guys were already gone.
Oh. You left before we did last night.
No, I'm pretty sure I did it.
Oh. Okay. Well, anyway, I'm heading out too. You go ahead and do your thing. Sorry.
Okay, doke. Let's see. But yeah, I was gonna say, anybody on YouTube, we'll talk to you guys later. Thanks for joining the channel. And on your way out, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and ring a ding that bell if you find fit, so you know every time I come on live. Whoops, sorry. And we will talk to all you guys soon. I hope to be on tomorrow night, but it's not guaranteed because I have my son. So you know how that goes. But I will be back on Thursday. I'll try to be on Thursday morning again after I take my son to school. So I hope to see all you guys soon, and take care. Much love. This is Crypto Leprechaun signing off, and don't forget, there's no I in crypto. And if we all work together, we can go to the moon together. Peace.